Do you ever feel feedback is just empty? Generic feedback sounds nice but doesn't guide improvement. It often comes from annual reviews, untrained managers, and unclear role expectations. In low engagement teams, only 18% of people report they get regular feedback. In top teams, it is 43%. That's a considerable difference in how people feel supported. High-quality feedback significantly boosts outcomes, generic feedback doesn't. Vague input leaves people stuck, disengaged, and more likely to leave. The answer: create structured, meaningful feedback loops. Give weekly, actionable feedback. It boosts engagement by up to 80%. Train managers to focus on behaviors, future actions, and clear next steps. Link feedback to role expectations. Feedback lands when goals are clear. Close the loop, act on feedback and show results. It builds trust and momentum. Need structured templates to build meaningful feedback loops for tech teams? Check out TalentDataProZR's toolkits in the description.